really hate that all these good filters like change your voice. I really hate that. Like, this is so cute.
My filter came back. Ooh, it's like literally my favorite filter ever. Well, first the dog one, but this. Oh my god, I look oily AF. Okay, anyways, hey bunnies, finally doing an iPhone diaries. It's been forever since I did a vlog, but my girl Farrah Charles is coming over. We're gonna be chopping it up a little bit. I know you guys love when I have my friends over, so she's gonna come over. We're gonna have a little powwow, have a couple drinks, you know. Yes, talk about some shmoney. Okay, maybe not, but yeah. Yeah, I feel like I need to vlog like way more. Like, I'm always on, well, not always on Snapchat, but I'm like dead like all the time on Snapchat just talking shit, and I feel like look at the makeup man. Jesus Christ. Anyways, I need to fix my makeup look before she come over and we do all of this stuff. My wig is acting my wig has been acting crazy all day, so do not come at me in the comments like I'm gonna just angle the camera like this the whole time. You don't need to see what's happening up here, so that's all. But if you don't remember Farrah, she was in the video I did a while back, maybe like 3 years ago. She was in that video. We were in the bathroom. Wow. Yeah, so yeah, well, I have music playing in the background. Shit. I hope that's not like beast mode with my girl that's Beauty and the Beast though. Bitch, I thought these niggas sleep though. Only thing that's so loud is the seats though.
Aiden, we're all set now.
Son has been asking to come back over here ever since he came the first time. I don't know what these guys did to him, but I like it. Meet our new Play Date buddies.
No, these are the bosses that we gotta fight.
Alright, so Farrah's finally here, and if y'all don't remember, this is her.
Hi guys.
Alright, so I'm gonna make her a drink. Farrah, take that.
Yes.
Let's go. Have a cocktail. And I'm trying to get her
All right. How do you turn this? Sorry,
I don't
guys.
think you can turn it because it's filming. Wait, hold on. Look at that shit. That's a lot of juice.
But it was a lot of liquor too.
It was not a lot of liquor. Oh my god.
Poured. Okay.
Jesus Christ.
This bitch with kissy face alone.
Yo, this is how I get Marie whenever she come over.
This is good. She loves coming over here.
That's how I get Marie every time she come over.
She loves coming over here. I be like, man, why y'all didn't invite me? You have something to do. Right?
It's true though. You always have something to do.
I'm telling you.
The last time she was here, you were in for New York Fashion Week. So speaking of Fashion Week, the Farrah Charles Project.
Yes, the Farrah Charles Project, Sunday, February 25th at Star Lounge in Hollywood, Florida. Make sure you're there. We're starting at 7. I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. I didn't want to share this with the blacks. Because y'all will never be on time. But we're starting at 7 p.m. and we're ending at 10, and we're gonna have a small mixer till about 12. So the event is from 7 to 12. So make sure you're there. We're gonna have about 10 designers. We have 30 beautiful models. We have about 5 vendors. We have MUAs, hairstylists, bloggers, as you can see. Everybody's coming, so make sure you're there too. Trust me, don't want to miss it.
Yeah, so Lord God, the light bright. Jesus Christ. Okay, so if y'all want to see me, you want to see Farrah, you want to see all my friends, my sexy friend, them, make sure y'all come through on Sunday because I'm going to be there. Chicken nuggets are done. Y'all don't want to see my mom live, so bye. Wait, do it again.
No, hold up. I think a bomb spot on this side. No, brother. I'm a smoke. Like,
Alright, so it's the end of the vlog. I'm like 3 cups in. She's still on her 1.
Still on my 1. And look.
Is it even done? Her cranberry juice. Pum pum nice doing. Alright, so we're gonna end this vlog right here. Come through on Sunday. Make sure you come see us. I'm gonna be all cute and whatever. I still don't know what I'm gonna wear.
I don't know what I'm gonna wear.
I don't know what I'm wearing.
I don't even know how I'm gonna look. I don't even know if I'm gonna have a fucking voice, as you can hear.
But we gonna be cute though.
We will. Cute.
We gonna be cute.
That's easy.
Bye, bunnies. Peace sign and
Nice to
kissy
meet
face.
you, Bunnies.
For the second time. Is that your first time?
No, yeah.
No. Hey, how to hustle?
Oh, yeah.
You met them bitches
Well,
before.
we ain't talking a while, but I will be back. I will be back.
Hopefully, if I keep vlogging, you'll see her again on Sunday.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah. Bye. Yo, who actually sit down and watch my snaps though? Like, I see the views and whatever, but like, who actually sit down and listen to every single thing I say? Because I just like tap through 5 different snaps like it was nothing. So let me know if you sat through this whole Snapchat segment just now. Okay.